Okay, so let's say you want to do some mesh editing. Here's a couple of tips and tricks. I'm going to jump into expert mode. I'm going to right click. I'm going to go to edit mesh. And then while you're here, here's a cool trick. Everybody wants to do this. You want to close your loop by double clicking and then either clicking the delete key or clicking over here to delete. Well, what that does is it leaves a fairly ragged edge. I'll show you a better way. So if we come in here and we make a selection, then don't close it and click the delete key. What it's doing is it's not using the existing triangles anymore. It's actually cutting across the triangles to give you a real smooth edge. Bring up the antagonist, same thing here. You make a selection, don't close it, click delete, click delete. Interesting. Oh, I know why. That's because I was actually on the maxilla when I did that edit. So we'll go here and then same thing, don't close it, delete. Delete. And then don't forget, which I did forget on the maxilla, is if you want to save these edits, if you want to overwrite them, you have to click OK, right click, save to file, and then overwrite it. And I'll do that here on this mesh because I did not overwrite it last time. Always pick original coordinate system. That's it.